can't catch us fuck all. Hey? Hey you?
That's right, yeah. Oh yeah. You'll fucking love it, Herb. It's called the Snapper Snack Ultra.
It's pulling all the fucking moves out now, eh, you Herb?
Fuck off.
Hey? Yeah. Here we go.
Don't tell
This fucking guy over here, day's over, he's got out here, he was sitting on the couch holding hands, and then his wife said you can go out. Well, he's got out here and it's about time to go home. Eh?
What colour skirt do you want? Do you want green? You
I don't like any skirts.
Or
I prefer them with no skirts
do you
on.
like red and yellow?
Yeah, I like them with no skirts on.
It's up to you, mate.
Yeah. Do you like?
Go on, yours.
Do you like skirts? I don't.
Yeah, skirts off.
Skirts off.
Nah, short skirts, no undies.
Oh, you're right, eh? Sweet. And Herb's in. Get him, Herb. Herb's using a dinner bell. What's it called, Herb?
Dinner bell,
Grumpy.
Grumpy fish.
A grumpy fish. Yeah. Well, he's whining. He's not pissing around, old Herb. You didn't fuck around, do you, Herb?
No, he's fucking pumped.
Eh? Oh yeah. Where's the bloody net, Herb?
Back in the shitter there.
Just go easy on it, Herb. You're not in a hurry. Hey? You're not still thinking that you're at home holding hands or anything. Hey? Walk back, Herb. Yep.
Pull backwards.
Nice, Herb. Hey? Herb's first snapper.
Sweet. There you go.
You're pretty stoked with that, weren't you, Herb?
Right up here.
You excited, Herb?
Yeah.
Real excited. I'm excited. Old Herb over there, he's excited too. And it was on the, bucku with no skirt.
It's on the orange fucky.
And it had no knickers on. Had no under the skirt. Hey, Herb?
Yeah.
Yeah. The excitement's over now. Oh, get him, Herb.
That's a good king.
If you lose it,
Bastard.
the rules are that if you lose something when you've got it over halfway, you've got to go for a swim.
We're anchored, not here.
No, he's got a skull of beer upside down.
Yeah.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it.
Yeah, it has,
Yeah.
Herb. Hey? I reckon it's a king. Yeah, we don't know what's happened, Herb. Something, I know, he's back. He was charging up towards the boat. He was like a train. He was coming straight up. We didn't know what was going on.
Yeah.
Did we, Herb? Oh, whoa! Yay! Woohoo!
That's what we're here for.
That's what we're here for. This is big sitting on the couch holding hands, Herb. It's good to be back. Hey? Herb's back.
Yeah.
Hey?
Fuck, I got it all the way out.
Yeah. After a fucking 6 months of sitting on the couch holding hands, Herb's back. Hey? Favourite shirt, Herb? Hey? Yep. If you get that up, I'm going to do a proppy over you.
Why over me?
Hey?
Why over me?
Cuz. What do you reckon, Stormy? Just go easy, Herb. There's no hurry. It's like being in bed.
I'll get puffed.
Yeah, but it's... Hey?
Come now, you four boys.
Yeah. Hey? It's like being in bed. There's no hurry. Hey? Yeah.
We're the salty crew.
We're the salty crew, yeah. This is what you pay good money to come with Herb on fishing charters. Herb's fishing charters. Yeah. Yeah. I think it could be a Marco.
Nah, you'd be busted.
What?
You'd be busted by now and it would have jumped. Yeah, it's a king, mate. That's a good king.
Oh, I've got it on here. Yeah, I'm sort of thinking that could be a Jack Mac.
Big Jack Mac. It's a mahi mahi.
Mahi mahi.
Good
Oh,
king.
fuck, it's a good king. Oh, shit.
Grab the tail, Herb. Grab the tail.
Come on, get him! Give me a hand! Back it over! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Look what I got here! Yay!
Sitting there, drinking a lime brown while you're fishing at the same time.
Stop talking fucking shit. Stop talking fucking shit, Herb, and get it up. Oh!
Snapper. Try and drag.
Yeah, Herb's got another snapper. And I've just come up with a... Oh, he's excited. I don't know what he's excited about.
It's a spotty.
I've just come up with the fucking new rule, Herb. If you want to get rid of the... If you want your missus to let you go fishing or do what you want to do...
Oh, it just got off.
Oh, fucking hell. There's an app called Candy Crush. Get them to download Candy Crush and that'll be it. You'll get out to go and do anything you want to do in your life. Try it. Yeah. Ah. Herb's on. Herb's on. He's on. It's on his handbrakes fishing rod too. It's on the Weiss. Hey?
Handbrakes fishing
Yeah.
rod. As long as I get past that knot, I'll be happy.
Yeah.
See that knot there? I've joined 2 lines together.
Oh, did you? You fucking, what the fucking sort of fucking fisherman are you? Yeah?
One that makes it work, eh?
Hey, oh! Yeah, if you don't know that Herb's back. Apparently.
Handbrake's off.
Yeah, the handbrake's off. I'm allowed out. I've got the old girl to fucking download that app, Candy Crush. Now she's sitting on the couch doing that instead of holding hands. Whoa, shit! Herb just about went in. Whoa! Fucking hell!
I feel like I'm being sharked.
Hey? Oh yeah.
Ah, it's gone heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a big fucking...
That's a good snap, Herb.
Yeah?
This ain't no white rod.
Amateur. Hey?
25 kilo drag.
Yeah? Shit's yeah. 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 Well, I'm here, Herb. You want to get a motor? Get a Honda. Don't get a Toshiba. There's no future in them. They'll break down. You'll never get out of here.
I reckon it's on Tessa's one.
Can't see colour. Here it comes. Oh, it might be a groper.
Yeah, it might be a groper, Herb.
It's floating up, isn't he?
Yeah.
What is it? There it goes. Oh, what is it? It's a snapper. It's a good one. Is it? Oh, it is too. Oh! Herb! Oh!
Get that net ready, Herb.
Get the net ready, Herb. Don't
Slip.
fuck it up.
Slip, yeah. That slips up.
Yeah.
Go underneath. Head first. There we go.
Hey! Yeah, Herb! Woo!
Excellent.
Hey? Skirt no undies?
Skirt no undies.
Yeah. That's how you catch these big snapper out here. Skirt no undies. So you want to take the missus out fishing, skirt no undies. Hey, Stormy Gill. Hey. Got another rod here?
Yeah.
This gun here. Hey, fucking 2 rods.
Nice. Nice snapper.
Oh, get him in there. Hey, hey, hey.
I caught that one. That one. Just from so deep. Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah.
Oh, you sorted it out, you caught it. Oh. Hey?
Is that how it rolls, is it?
That's fucking how it rolls here, Herb. Just got someone come over for a cuddle. Look at that, Herb. Hey? 2 on 1 hook. You wouldn't fucking read about it. Hey? You wanna go home and go and get a fucking lotto ticket. Hey, oh, Herb's got one there too. How you doing, Stormy Gill? Hey? How you doing? Hey, you've been a good girl. Herb's first king that he's ever caught.
Take the rod, sit down, Herb, you'll break the rod.
Yeah, where's the other gimbal? Get the other one.
One. Pull up, one down.
Come on, Herbie. What do you reckon? Been holding hands on the couch?
Yeah.
Hey?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I don't know about that.
That's it, actually.
It's a Herb. Yeah, hey! Oh yeah, look at that fucking bird over there. Get that, Herb. Yeah, I think I've seen colour. Oh yeah, colour!
Yeah,
Make sure you don't hit the side of the boat.
Walk backwards.
Oh yeah!
Stay there. He's not caught.
Yeah! Hey! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey!
First one.
Nice, Herbie! Stormy! Spotted a stag up there. It's about 500 metres up the top. Just got the thermal. We can actually see him. You can see his rack up there. He's about an 8-pointer. I'm not really going to pursue it. Herb's just going to sit there and wait and try and roar him down to the beach. Don't you, Herb? Hold hands on the couch. Well, there's no future in it, Herb. Oh, fucking hell, Herb. It took a moment. Oh.
Come alive now.
Hey?
Come alive now.
Hey, fucking might not be too bad fucking fish, eh?
Hey. Hey. Good.
So goes me, hope you're going to clean that dog shit up. Good story.
You're just fucking bred for the shit, eh?
Born for it.
Yeah, the cunt is. That's why he comes on the boat, because he's fucking born for it. He's holding hands on the couch anyway, eh, Herb?
No Candy Crush out here.
No Candy Crush out here.
What those cunts doing?
Yeah, yeah.
It's where it all happens in here, Herb. Not the engine room. Filleting room.
No Candy Crush in here.
Oh, you got a diesel. You haven't.
Think
Yeah,
it's an
fuck.
engine room.
No?
You can keep that in the engine room.
Cheers, Herb. Alright. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's a good
Good
weekend.
years.